Oh, good morning. I have to shower and get some coffee going here. So today's a big day, and today's the day I finally go pick up the KTM RC 390. I've had this on order for a really long time, and I'm not even getting it from the dealer I ordered it from, that I still have a deposit on. So long story, let's talk about it today. I need some help, and who else to help me but this guy? What does it say on your shirt?
Full throttle chunky.
Are you awake yet?
No.
Because neither am I. And his nice collection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this count as a motorcycle? No, it's got 4. And then look at these Harley Davidsons. What's this one? You said this was a 350?
Yeah, Sprint 350.
And what's the other one?
And a Sprint 250.
So these are Harleys, but where were they made?
Italy.
Italy. Look at this. Italian-made Harley Davidsons. Pretty cool, huh?
69 and 71.
So this one's a 71. That's a 69. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, fun toys.
You ready to head to, where are we going?
I don't know.
St. Petersburg,
we're just
Florida.
Driving. We're going.
It's like 4 hours. All right, let's do this. Well, there's always time to pet a Dexter before you take off, right?
Yes.
All right.
Gotta pet my dinner.
Have a good morning. Okay, so we're on our way to St. Petersburg, Florida. It's 4 hours from me. It's about, what, 3 hours, 15 minutes here across the state. So here's how I got here. Months ago, I went to a KTM dealer near me, Riva Motorsports down in Pompano, and put some money down on a RC 390. And they said, well, we only have one left in our allotment. They only were allotted 4 for the whole dealership, and there was 1 slot left. So I said, I'll take it. But there was no delivery date in sight, like none at all. And I've been waiting. I don't call them to bug them, because I know that when it comes in, they'll call me. This bike from KTM was originally supposed to be in February. We're now in September, and what's that? March, April, May, June, July, August. That's like 7 months with nothing delivered. So I started checking around for a used one, and I saw, oh look, there's a used one with 1 mile on it in St. Petersburg. So I call them up and I'm like, you guys have a used RC 390? They're like, no, it's new. And I'm like, well, I only searched used, which was weird in itself. So they said, yeah, we've had this thing in stock for 3 weeks. So I'm thinking, what the hell's KTM thinking? Because you got people who are waiting for them that have deposits down, and you're delivering stuff to other dealers that don't even have one pre-sold, and it sits for 3 weeks, which really makes no sense to me. But it could have been a situation where someone did have a deposit and then changed their mind, and that's why it sat there. No one knew that they had it. But luckily for me, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up there and pick it up, put it on a trailer, head back, and have a really long, boring day. That's about it.
This driving ain't that bad. It's actually a really nice country to drive through. It's all back roads, so.
Yeah, that's true. It is good, because you're really not on the highway. You're on roads. Well, you can't see the road I'm on, but.
I'll put a clip in.
Yeah, yeah. There we go. I'll put a clip in. Anyway, so we're on our way. Let's see what happens. Oh, well, there it is. There she is. Gonna put her on the back of that thing right there. Look at that. What does that say? RC 390, brand new. Wow. Even have the bands so I can check things out. Holy schmoly, look at this. Well, oh, hold and sold. All right, that's me. Look at this puppy. Ooh. So what kind of modifications should we do on this? Alright, so we're all strapped up. 1, 2, 3 straps. And that should be good. So let's get rocking and start our 4-hour trek back to my garage. Well, bike's all loaded up. I can't stop looking in the back to see it to make sure it's gonna stay there, even though we've done this before. Know it's gonna stay. I hope it does anyway.
I've only had a trailer fall off this bike once. Or one bike fall off of this trailer once.
Oh, only one bike fall off the trailer. But we're back, and I'm being tailed by an RC 390. No matter how fast I go, this thing is right on my ass. Look in the rear view mirror, that's all I see is this RC 390. It's handling the corner pretty well, this RC 390. Well, this certainly makes for a long day. I can tell you that. 4 hours up, 4 hours back to pick up that KTM RC 390. This makes it a long day. But in a market like we have today, where nothing's in stock and everyone's waiting for things and everything seems to be, for these manufacturers, made to order, you gotta do what you gotta do.
The fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game. I've been swerving through the city in and out of lanes. Yeah, cause if I see it, then I want it, then you better know I got it. Ain't no options, I'm about to do the damn thing. I'm an outlaw, you can never catch me. I'm in first place, you can never. These are the moments, only got one life. This is your moment, whether wrong or right. You're your own enemy, your own enemy, your own enemy.
So, it's been a long day bringing that puppy home right there. And there will be a full review of this. I just took it out and did like a quick 10 miles with it. Gonna have to get used to leaning forward on a sport bike on a regular basis for a while. I gotta tell you, I am impressed. Some of the things I can't really do a ton with it, because I'm assuming because I haven't had my first service yet, when you hit about a little over 6,000 RPM, it starts flashing, and I think it's keeping me from, you know, winding this thing out, which could be a problem. But anyway, KTM's home, and I have a question for those who have KTM's. Whether I put the left blinker on or the right blinker, now they both work, but the problem is that the dash is flashing it as though your four-ways are on. But the left or right blinker is on perfectly fine in the front and the back, but for some reason the indicator on the dash just keeps flashing both indicators. So is that a problem, or is this routine with KTM? I don't know. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, subscribe. It's been a long day, but she's home. Have a great day.
Life full of circles, we out the A4.